Best deals. 1. Sandwich Maker is made with quality, durable non-stick grill plates. It has a compact and portable design, making it perfect for any kitchen countertop. This sandwich maker comes with all the necessary parts and accessories for easy and convenient use. It can grill cheese sandwiches, prepare vegetable sandwiches, and even defrost bread. It's perfect for quick breakfasts, snack preparations, and everyday use for the whole family. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Steamer. Enjoy quick heating and fast boiling with this efficient electric kettle, designed for optimal performance in your kitchen. Experience hassle-free operation with this electric kettle featuring a generous 1.4-liter capacity, convenient cord length, and easy-to-clean design. Perfect for families, this versatile electric kettle is ideal for kitchens, hostels, and offices, allowing you to make tea, coffee, noodles, and more. Powerful 600-watt heating element ensures rapid water boiling, saving your time and effort. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Egg Boiler. Its transparent lid allows you to monitor your eggs during the cooking process, ensuring perfect results every time with automatic turn off. Accessories include a poaching tray for versatile cooking options. Egg Boiler is designed to meet the expectations of customers who value ease of use and efficient cooking. With a 6-egg capacity, it can handle a variety of cooking styles, from soft and medium boiled eggs to perfectly poached eggs and even omelets. Egg Boiler is designed with a medium-sized footprint, making it suitable for any kitchen countertop. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Blender. Has been designed with a power of 1500 watts, which allows optimal crushing in cycles of more than 5 minutes to achieve homogeneous and fine results in a short time. The blades of this hand blender are stainless steel, a material that stands out for its resistance and ability to keep the edge in good condition prolonged. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pancake Tawa. Prepare dosa, chilla, pancakes, crepes, uttapam, omelets, paratha and more with this all-in-one appliance, perfect for your daily home cooking needs. Extra wide surface of dosa maker electric automatic allows you to prepare large crepes, pancakes, chilla, uttapam, and more with ease, prevents sticking and requires less oil. Customize heat settings for different recipes with variable temperature control for precise and consistent results. Smooth non-stick surface makes cooking hassle-free and cleaning quick with just a wipe, perfect for everyday use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dough Maker. Powerful 1400W motor with pure copper winding delivers efficient, high-performance mixing for all your everyday kitchen needs. 10-speed settings with LED indicator and pulse function gives you precise control for effortless beating, whisking, and kneading. Splash Guard for a clean, mess-free experience prevents spills and splashes, keeping your kitchen neat while you mix, whisk, or knead. Enhanced safety with overheat protection and safety lock designed to ensure safe and reliable operation during every use. Complete mixing set for versatile use includes main unit, dough hook, beater, whisk, and a large 6L stainless steel bowl for all your recipes. 1.5L blending jar for smoothies and more conveniently blend shakes, smoothies and other recipes with the included blending jar. Built for durability and stability with a robust die-cast body, making it suitable for regular baking and cooking tasks. This stand mixer is equipped with premium quality all-metal gear planetary movement to provide optimal mixing results and longer life. Comes with 3 mixing accessories, SS whisk and Teflon-coated dough hook and flat beater. Teflon coating makes the accessories easy to clean and non-reactive to any kind of food and won't turn black after use. Ensure tailor mixing effortlessly and thoroughly for a variety of food, such as dough, egg, meat, vegetables, pizza, cake, bread, cookies, pastry, muffins, waffle, frosting, meringue, mashed potato, and more. This mixing bowl is made from imported 304 stainless steel which ensures food safety and the 6-lit capacity can satisfy most of the daily use of 3 to 7 persons family. Stand mixer comes with Teflon-coated accessories which are completely non-reactive to food and dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 6th link. 7. Electric kettle. Its high power delivers efficiency, saving time without compromising on performance. This electric kettle features a 304 stainless steel inner body, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and food safety. This high-quality material preserves the purity and taste of your water. With a generous 1.8 L capacity, this electric kettle is perfect for boiling water in larger quantities, ideal for families, group gatherings, or preparing multiple cups of tea or coffee at once. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Blender. It has 2 speed settings, a pulse function, and an extract program for perfect nutrient extraction every time. The 1000W blender features a spacious and durable extra-large Trutton pitcher, offering ample capacity for bulk blending and ensuring strength for full-sized extractions and hot liquids, perfect for preparing large quantities of soups and other dishes with ease. Perfect for blending smoothies, milkshakes, nut butter, idli batter, and grinding spices and coffee beans, adding versatility to your kitchen. The 1000-watt motor delivers exceptional blending power while operating quietly, making it perfect for home and commercial use. High rotational power. With a speed of 22,000 rpm, the blender provides an impressive blending experience, ensuring smooth and consistent results. This innovative design preserves nutrients during blending for healthier beverages and meals, featuring an easy twist extractor blade and new easy grip handles that ensure a secure, leak-proof seal. Turn your blending jar into a travel-friendly container, making it easy to take your creations with you. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Coffee machine. Simply add coarse ground coffee powder to the basket and brew a delicious cup of coffee effortlessly. The water level indicator enables easy filling, eliminating any guesswork. Add milk to personalize your coffee experience. It is designed to brew up to 6 cups of coffee, providing you with ample servings to share with your family or guests. Each cup holds 100 milliliters, ensuring you have enough coffee to satisfy your caffeine cravings. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cold press juicer. Designed to extract more juice with less waste, separating pulp efficiently for smooth, consistent results. Eliminates metal interaction in the juice pathway to maintain purity, freshness, and nutritional integrity. Simple assembly with detachable parts for quick cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Automatic dosa maker. Craft flawless dosas in just 1 minute with rapid functionality. 360 degrees food grade coated roller ensures hygienic dosa preparation. Effortlessly adjust cooking time and dosa thickness using intuitive touch controls. Automatic safety cutoff feature provides added protection after 3 minutes of idle time. Compact and portable design seamlessly fits in any kitchen space. Powerful 1600W performance guarantees swift and efficient cooking. Perfect for dosa enthusiasts seeking convenience, speed, and exceptional results. Dosas being everyone's favorite, egg flip comes as a savior. Say goodbye to spending a lot of time making dosas. Now, with just one click, you can have multiple dosas that are crispy and crunchy. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Ice maker. Rapid ice maker with 2 ice cube size settings. It combines self-cleaning feature and has a drain plug at the bottom for easy removal of unused water. This countertop ice maker can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in around 6 to 9 minutes and can produce up to 12 kilograms of ice in 24 hours. The indicator on the portable ice maker will alert you when the basket is full, and will remind you to add water when the ice machine is running low. All you need to do to make ice is add water and turn on the switch. It has a transparent window, so you can easily watch the ice being made. Make sure each ice cube is pure. This portable ice maker countertop is equipped with a new condensing technology and a silent fan, which enables the water to quickly condense and freeze into ice. This ice machine maker countertop weighs only 6.6 kilograms and is designed with a convenient carry handle. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Food processor. With built-in presets for vegetables, fruits, fish and meat. Just select a function, and this baby food processor completes the rest, making feeding easy for new parents. All-in-one steamer and blender baby functions as both a steamer and blender baby food maker, eliminating the need for multiple containers. It's a complete baby food processor for 6+ month baby meals. Unique steaming cycle locks in nutrients, flavors and vitamins. Ideal as a baby food puree maker for healthy, homemade meals your little one will love. Equipped with a 400 ml bowl and 4 precision blades at 2875 rpm, this blender for baby food puree prepares smooth and fresh food within minutes. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Roti Maker Machine. Features high-quality non-stick plates that ensure smooth and even cooking without the dough sticking. This makes rolling and cooking rotis, dosa, chapatis, tortilla and parathas hassle-free, while also making cleanup quick and easy. Enjoy perfectly round and evenly cooked flatbreads every time with minimal effort. Equipped with an optimal temperature control system, this electric roti maker heats up quickly and maintains the right temperature for consistent cooking. The built-in indicator lights of fully automatic roti maker machine let you know when the appliance is ready to use, preventing overheating and ensuring perfectly cooked rotis, dosa, pizzas, crepes, sandwiches, and more. Designed for modern kitchens, the Libra Electric Roti Maker Automatic features a sleek, compact design that saves valuable counter space. Despite its space-saving build, it offers an 8.5-inch diameter cooking plate, making it perfect for preparing large-sized rotis, dosa, chapati, pancakes, and more. Its lightweight construction also makes it easy to store and carry. With cool touch handles for a firm grip, non-slip feet for stability, and an automatic shut-off function, this Roti Maker Electric ensures a safe and seamless cooking experience. The long power cable of Roti Maker Machine Electric offers flexible placement in your kitchen, while the easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance effortless. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Electric Chopper. One-touch operation electric chopper for kitchen use for effortless chopping and dicing, helping you save time during meal prep and spend more quality time with your family. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love with our food processor for kitchen. The detachable components of our dishwasher-safe vegetable chopper electric make cleaning the chopper electric for kitchen easy so that you can enjoy your meal time more. This convenient and reliable chopper for kitchen electric reduces the stress of juggling multiple tools like knives and chopping boards, a life-changing vegetable cutter electric. The ultimate more than a vegetable chopper electric for kitchen use that makes a practical and much appreciated gift for busy moms looking to simplify their daily routines, has a stainless steel finish in front which enhances the look of the appliance. Easy press down button and anti-slip base facilitates fast and convenient operation. Chop in one go, no extra buttons or switches. Made from unbreakable ABS plastic for long-lasting and hassle-free use, this appliance takes care of your chopping needs. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric Rice Cooker. The *2L electric rice cooker with ceramic-coated inner bowl is designed for everyday Indian kitchens where convenience meets consistent results. With a *350W heating system, it balances energy efficiency and cooking speed, making it ideal for families of 2 to 4 people. The *2L capacity holds up to *500 grams of raw rice, approx. 3.5 cups, which cooks to about 10 to 12 cups of steamed rice, perfect for daily meals without leftovers going to waste. The standout feature is the ceramic-coated inner bowl *. Unlike traditional aluminum, the ceramic coating is non-stick, PFOA-free, and distributes heat evenly so rice doesn't burn or stick at the bottom. It's also easier to clean and more durable against scratches and stains from turmeric or spices. For healthier cooking, it includes a steam basket that sits above the rice, letting you steam vegetables, momas, idlis, or fish simultaneously while the rice cooks below, saving time and gas. Cooking is simplified with *8 preset cooking functions, typically white rice, brown rice, porridge, soup, steam, cake, slow cook, and quick cook, so you can go beyond just rice to one-pot meals with one button. Under the hood, advanced fuzzy logic technology automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time based on the quantity and moisture inside, so whether you are cooking 1 cup or 3.5 cups, the texture comes out fluffy every time without manual guesswork. Once done, the *24 hours keep warm function kicks in, holding your food at a safe serving temperature without drying it out, so dinner stays hot even if someone's late. At *350W, it's low on power consumption but high on reliability, making it great for hostels, bachelors, and small families in places like Kollegal where power stability matters. This *2L electric rice cooker is built for simple, set-it-and-forget-it cooking in modern homes. Powered by *350W, it uses just enough energy to cook efficiently without spiking your electricity bill. The *2-liter capacity is just right for daily use. It can take *500 grams of raw rice, about 3.5 cups, and turn it into roughly 10 to 12 cups of fluffy cooked rice for 3 to 4 people. Inside, you get a ceramic-coated inner pot instead of regular metal. The ceramic layer is non-stick, toxin-free, and spreads heat evenly, so your rice won't scorch or clump. It also resists stains from masalas and wipes clean in seconds. Included is a steam tray that lets you cook veggies, dumplings, or eggs on top while rice cooks underneath, basically 2 dishes at once. No guesswork needed thanks to *8 preset cooking modes. Whether it's white rice, brown rice, khichdi, soup, cake, or slow simmer, just pick a mode and let it run. The advanced fuzzy logic chip is the brain here. It senses the amount of water and rice and tweaks heat and timing automatically for perfect results every time. After cooking, the *24-hour keep warm feature holds your food warm and fresh without overcooking, so it's ready whenever you are. Pot functions as a pressure cooker, sauté pot, slow cooker, rice cooker, soup maker, steamer, sous vide pot, yogurt maker, and food warmer, making it an essential all-in-one kitchen tool. Enjoy convenience and safety with the automatic pressure release button that seals the lid for pressure cooking and releases pressure with a single push. Equipped with 9 built-in safety features, the Smart Pot 2 minimizes steam, noise, and odor during cooking, providing peace of mind while you prepare meals. From making soups and stews to preparing rice and yogurt, the Smart Pot offers diverse cooking options to satisfy various dietary needs and preferences. One-touch presets for your favorite meals. Just select your setting, add ingredients, and let the Smart Pot do the work. Cooking has never been this effortless. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel for hygienic cooking, durability, and long-lasting everyday performance. Designed to simplify cooking with automatic pressure control for efficient meal preparation and reduced manual effort. Suitable for preparing rice, dal, curries, soups, steaming, and a variety of everyday home-cooked meals. Helps reduce cooking effort while supporting convenient everyday meal preparation. Stainless steel construction helps maintain cleanliness and allows quick and hassle-free maintenance after cooking. Product link is given in the 16th link.